Good morning, students. I hope that you must have completed your first 5 notices. Today we are going to start the new chapter, and that is applications. First of all, we have to write the format of the application. In your book, application is not given, so I have made it, and PDF also you will get it. You will not write it into a box. First of all, what you will do, you will write the head, means the principle. At once, first line at a stretch, you will write number one step is the principle. In second line, you will write your school name. Suppose in a statement, if school name is given, then you will write that given name. But if school name is not given, then you can write your own school name. That's why I have written in bracket school name. And third, city. Okay, again the same thing. If city name is mentioned, you will write that city name, otherwise you will write Sonipat. So we can say that in first three lines we have to write the principal, number two Rishikul Vidyapeeth, number three Sonipat. Then you have to leave one line and you have to mention date. Okay, today date is 29 April 21. In place of where date is written, you will write the date 29 April 21. Then you will write subject. Subject means for what purpose you are going to write. It is an urgent piece of work, or it is an sick leave or marriage leave or section changing. It may be anything related to anything. So you have to write against subject the main point. Subject means urgent piece of work, whatever it is, sick leave, marriage leave, section changing leave. Okay, then you will leave one line. And salutation means either you are going to write the ma'am, principal, or mistress, or madam. Again the same thing will be applied. If principal mentioned, or you will write principal. If mistress is given, then you will write mistress. So that is called salutation. Then body means content. As per the statement, you will write body, and it should be written at a stretch in continuity. And after completing the body, you will write the subscription. Subscription means yours faithfully, yours sincerely, yours obediently. But now we don't write obediently, it has been omitted. So either you will write faithfully or sincerely, and where the point the subscription is given. Then in next line you will mention your name, who has written this application. Then you will write your class and section, which student has written from which section, and in the end you can mention your roll number. Now listen one thing, that in your book date is given in the end. No need to write date in the end. We can follow this pattern also, and this is the latest pattern to write application. In place of writing date below or downside, we will write date after the school address. So main thing is you have to keep in mind that you are not allowed to write date in the bottom, you can write date upside. But by chance if you have written date downside also, that is no problem, that is old pattern. But we are following the latest pattern, and in latest pattern we follow or we write the date after school address. So this is the main thing that you have to keep in your mind. Again I am telling that first you will write your school address, then leave one line, then date, then subject, then salutation, then body, then subscription means yours faithfully, yours sincerely, yours obediently, then your name, then class and section, and in the end you will write roll number. In PDF you will get your format of application. This you will write in your English 2, and if you have any doubt you can ask. Follow this pattern which is given to you by me. Take care. Thank you very much.